This is Cooking at Home, and I'll be your host, Owen Campbell. And we're also going to have a new guest here, Anna from Italy. She's going to be telling us how to make Nutella toast, which is from Italy. But sadly, she can only speak Italian, so I'm going to translate her. Thank you. Now, to Anna.
Thank you, Owen. Ok, so oggi prenderemo il pane che è già nel tostapane, cavolo, dovresti prenderlo. Ne prendiamo un altro e lo metteremo nel tostapane.
She's saying that we need to put the bread in the toaster so we can pop it, but she's waiting to put the Nutella toast on because she needs to put the horses on first.
No. I said the bread in the tostapane.
Oh, so we have to put the bread in the
Yes.
toaster. So, back to Anna now.
Ok, devo accendere il tostapane adesso, quindi mi girerò e lo accenderò. Accenderò il tostapane adesso. Owen, can you help me with
Sure thing. Let us get the toaster and pop it.
because it's too far from me. Oh no,
And
I
there
did
we
it.
go. She put it in the toaster. Now it's going to toast. And now she was saying that we should get a glass of milk with it because it tastes really delicious with the glass of milk.
Put the milk. Ok. Metteremo il latte nel bicchiere. Ok, devo aprire, è un po' difficile da aprire. Ok, adesso sto mettendo il latte.
Let me help you.
È un po' di... Yes, thank you. I had some problem because it's too heavy. Okay.
Thank you. Now we're going to put some milk in to our glass because that's what it says to do.
Yes,
May you please pass the milk to us?
of course. No, no glass.
May you please pass
Ti
the
passerò
milk jug?
la bottiglia di latte.
May you please pass
La-
the milk jug, please, over to me so that we may also pour the milk into our glass. Thank you.
Passerò il bicchiere.
It's such delicious milk. I love it so much. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. It's getting a little messy. That's okay. Sorry guys, this is quite heavy. It's okay. I'm gonna take a little sip. See how tasty it is. Cold.
Do you like it?
Delicious. Are you gonna have a drink of your milk too?
No, I think I will leave it there and maybe later.
Okay.
After the...
Now,
our
looks like our
toast
toast
already.
is popped. Now they'll get toast for us and put it on our plate.
Prendo il toast che è un po' caldo, oddio, no?
Put one on
aiuto.
that plate. I'm
No,
gonna grab my one
ok.
and put it on mine. And now, what do you have to say?
Il toast è pronto, quindi metteremo la Nutella sul toast.
As she said,
Servirà un
we
coltello.
grab a knife, stab the
Prendi-
Nutella
oddio.
bucket, make it all pour out, and go shreddy, spready on the Nutella toast.
Yummy.
And she said it's gonna be very yummy. Quite, gonna be delicious meal.
Ok, ci siamo quasi.
We're putting it in
Manca ancora una
and
parte.
spreading it out. Oh, wait, it's getting lost. Oh, sorry, guys.
Manca ancora
What
una
just happened?
parte.
Did it get a little on your
Ok.
fingers?
A destra. Sì, oddio, non mi sto male.
Now, we
Ok.
have the plastic
Ok.
pass the Nutella
Ci
over.
siamo. I will try it.
That's hot. That is hard. Okay,
Oh.
now we
I love
finally pass the Nutella out to us. And maybe I'll just grab it.
No, ma Nutella.
And now we're gonna spread it onto our Nutella.
So good.
Yep, we're spreading it. Make it go wow. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Put it way across. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Slimy. Oh yeah. No, I'm sorry guys. Oh, sorry. And now I'm gonna take a little taste. And now I'll let Anna have a taste. delicious. I know, it's like amazing. I'm a pretty good chef. And now, yeah, I know, I made a good feast. Now,
Okay, we should feed each other. Yes?
yeah, let's,
Not with the milk.
no,
The
no,
bread.
Okay,
Okay, I will
pass
take
the
my bread.
and let Anna, the Italian, have some. Oh, yum. That is good.
Buonissimo.
Delicious. Okay, we're both gonna drink our milk.
I don't. Very. I love milk.
Thank you for watching our Cooking at Home with Anna making our Nutella toast.
Grazie a voi.
See you next time.